Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to share with you my grocery haul. I got split chickpeas and I got red lentil dal from the Indian International Market, and also I got a few of the spices over there like cumin seeds, amount of it, and coriander seed, which is cilantro seeds. And usually I will use 1 cup of them, and I will freeze the rest. Also I got turmeric powder and fennel. I got fennel as this is going to be our tea for the winter. We use a lot of fennel tea in the winter. We also got curry leaves. I don't use the curry powder. I use the leaves instead. It's have better, or I think it's a strong smell or flavor. Also, I got peas and turnip. I'm gonna make pickled turnips. That's gonna be red or pinkish color. And the eggplants over here is gonna be pickled in olive oil, and green onion. Also, we got some. Then we went to the international European market, and we got a few stuff like here. We got pasta also. This Bism Mutfak brand is my favorite brand so far. It's really good quality pasta. And if you are interested in seeing any of those recipes, please let me know in the comment below. So I got red paprika, sweet paprika, and vegetable seasoning. And I like this brand because there's no MCG. And green pomegranate molasses. I use it for my dressing.